Here's a look at today's lesson. The learning targets are, I can identify the multiples of a number, and I can find the least common multiple between two numbers. Here is an example slide. What is the least common multiple for the numbers 5 and 6? What are the multiples for 5 and 6? So the multiples for 5 is you're literally going to count up by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And you could keep going, of course. Multiples of 6, you're going to count up by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And of course, you can keep going. But the question is, what is the least common multiple of those? The lowest multiple that they have in common. So if you look and see, the lowest number they have in common is 30. Now we could keep going, but 30 is the smallest number they have in common. That is your least common multiple. You're going to do this work for 4 and 7. So you're going to find what are the multiples of 4 and 7. Count up by those numbers. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 7, 14, 21, 28. Keep going, and then you're going to find the least common multiple, the smallest one they have in common. Then you're going to do it for 3 and 8. So you're going to count up by 3s, count up by 8s, see what's the smallest multiple they have in common. And then there's a challenge slide. 5, 7, and 10. So you have 3 numbers to do it by. So 5, 7, and 10. Count up by those numbers and see what is the smallest, or it's 5, 7, and 8. This should be 8, I'm sorry. Count up by 5, 7s, and 8s and see what is the smallest number that they have in common.